Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel online learning platform. In this video I am going to discuss about the past paper of HET conducted by HEC Higher Education Service Commission for scholarship purpose or getting the admission in masters or PhD. So the question is, the ratio of boys to girls in a school is 5:2. The number of boys is more by 450 than that of girls. How many students are there in that school? So let's make the equation first, that is 5:2. The equation is 5x plus 2x. We are going to total is 5 plus 2 is 7x. So now question arises that what's the value of x? So we need to first calculate the value of x and it's extracted from the question statement. How we getting the value? The number of boys is more by 450 than that of girls. So let's make the equation, that is 5x minus 2x equal to 450. So we difference is 3x equal 450. The value of x come out from this equation is 150. Now put the value of x in desired equation, that is 5x plus 2x equal to 7x. So the value of x is 150. So we are getting multiply and the result, final result is 1050. 1050. So 1050 students are present in that school. Thank you. Do subscribe, like, comment, share my channel.